The 2025 Ford F-150 continues its legacy as America's best-selling truck, offering new technology, updated styling, and a wide range of engines, from traditional V8s to hybrid and electric options. Ford promises improved refinement, towing power, and efficiency, but as every experienced truck owner knows, no vehicle is without its flaws. Even with Ford's engineering advancements, the F-150 has a few potential problem areas that owners and enthusiasts should keep in mind. Let's break down what issues you might expect when owning the 2025 Ford F-150, from the body to the suspension. Ford gave the 2025 F-150 a refreshed look, but the aluminum body, while lightweight and rust-resistant, remains a controversial point. Owners of previous generations often complained about costly body repairs, as aluminum panels are more expensive to fix than steel. Minor dents and scratches can turn into expensive repair bills at body shops unfamiliar with aluminum work. Some owners have also reported paint durability issues and panel alignment inconsistencies, particularly around doors and tailgates. In regions with harsh climates, the underside and frame can still develop surface rust despite Ford's corrosion protection improvements. Ford's latest interiors are a mix of luxury and complexity. The 2025 F-150 features large touchscreens, digital instrument clusters, and advanced connectivity, all impressive on paper, but potentially problematic over time. The infotainment system can lag or freeze, especially after software updates. Some owners have also experienced sensor malfunctions, camera glitches, and electronic gremlins that affect features like climate control or adaptive cruise systems. While build quality has improved, cheaper trim levels may still show hard plastics, loose panels, or rattles after several thousand miles. A reminder that not all F-150 interiors are created equal. Generally, engine selection includes the 2.7-liter EcoBoost V6, the 3.5-liter EcoBoost V6, the naturally aspirated 5.0-liter Coyote V8, the PowerBoost hybrid, and the all-electric F-150 Lightning. While this variety gives buyers flexibility, it also means a wide range of maintenance demands and possible repair costs. The EcoBoost engines are the most common choice due to their balance of power and fuel economy, but they aren't perfect. These turbocharged V6 units have a history of carbon buildup on the intake valves, a problem that can lead to rough idling, loss of power, and poor fuel efficiency over time. Since they use direct fuel injection, cleaning the valves often requires labor-intensive maintenance. Turbocharger wear is another concern, especially for owners who tow frequently or don't allow proper cool-down time after hard driving. Additionally, coolant leaks from the front cover or the intercooler system have been noted in earlier models, and similar issues may persist if not addressed by Ford's continuous refinements. The 5.0-liter Coyote V8, loved for its traditional sound and linear power delivery, remains one of the most enjoyable engines in the lineup, but it's not bulletproof either. Many owners have reported oil consumption problems, sometimes appearing as early as 40,000 miles. The issue often traces back to piston ring design and can lead to low oil levels between service intervals. There's also the notorious valve train tick, a tapping noise that may be harmless but is often annoying enough to concern owners. While the V8 tends to be mechanically durable, its maintenance costs rise if these problems go unchecked. Then there's the PowerBoost hybrid, which combines the 3.5-liter EcoBoost with an electric motor for improved torque and efficiency. It's technologically impressive, offering great towing performance and fuel savings, but also significantly more complex. The hybrid system introduces new failure points, high-voltage batteries, cooling systems, and control modules. Replacing or repairing these components outside of warranty can be expensive, and the limited availability of hybrid-trained technicians may add to future ownership challenges. Finally, the F-150 Lightning takes a completely different route with full electrification. While it eliminates engine-related problems entirely, it introduces its own concerns. Battery degradation over time, especially in cold or extremely hot climates, can noticeably reduce driving range. Long charging times, limited access to fast chargers in rural areas, and potential high replacement costs for the main battery pack are real-world issues Lightning owners must consider. In short, the 2025 F-150's engine lineup offers something for everyone, but no engine is free from flaws. Whether it's turbo wear on the EcoBoost, oil burning in the Coyote, or long-term battery worries in the hybrid and electric models, each version demands a clear understanding of its strengths and weaknesses before buying. The 10-speed automatic transmission, co-developed with GM, delivers smooth performance when functioning correctly, but it has been a recurring source of complaints since its introduction. Jerky shifts, hesitation, or harsh gear engagement can occur, especially in early production units or when the software calibration is off. Some owners have reported clunking sounds or delayed response during downshifts. Ford often resolves these issues through software updates, but physical wear of internal components or valve body problems can lead to expensive repairs once the truck is out of warranty. The 2025 F-150's suspension strikes a balance between comfort and load-carrying ability, but it's not immune to problems. Front suspension components such as ball joints, control arms, and bushings may wear faster on trucks used for towing or off-roading. The rear leaf springs can produce squeaks or clunks, particularly in colder climates. On models equipped with adaptive suspension or air assist systems, owners might face sensor or compressor failures that are costly to replace. In general, while the ride is smoother than ever, the suspension's complexity means more potential points of failure down the road. The 2025 Ford F-150 remains one of the most capable and advanced full-size trucks on the market, but it's also one of the most complex. Owners should expect minor electronic glitches, potential drivetrain quirks, and expensive repairs if advanced systems fail. None of these problems make the truck a bad choice, but they highlight the trade-off between modern technology and long-term durability. For enthusiasts who value power, comfort, and versatility, the F-150 is still hard to beat. Just be prepared for the occasional headache that comes with owning one of America's most sophisticated pickups.